Hey everyone, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Trading. Who's coming to you live from Vietnam. We got lots to talk about, absolutely lots to talk about. We've got some interesting and amazing information for you. Looks like the fear and greed is rising, guys, and we're still in extreme fear, but this is a huge indication that the bottom has been hit. We hit a 9 the other day, and that is the lowest we've ever seen in the history of the fear and greed. And remember, this is a contrarian indicator, and what you should be doing right now is buying the fear like crazy. And I've got some huge technical analysis that shows that Bitcoin is hitting bottom, has hit bottom, and we will see a reverse from here, guys. And history is being made right now with Bitcoin. We're going to talk about that. Also, looks like Dogecoin from Luna is under fire right now, and we're still waiting for that whole Luna Tuna post-mortem in the house. And when are we going to get the post-mortem? When are we going to get the facts? And what is going on? We're still waiting for the Luna Foundation to give us some clarity exactly what is their plan. What is their plan? There's been some rumors that they're just going to dump the UST Terra blockchain, and they're going to start burning Luna to bring down the total liquid supply of Luna down. But what does that mean for you and me as Luna holders? Are we gonna lose all the Luna we have? Is it going to be like a reverse split to the downside? What percentage are we going to be left? If you have 1 million Luna right now, at the end of the day, are you going to end up with 1 Luna at the old price or 10 Luna? We don't know, and a lot of people want some clarity out there. I know that a lot of you are have FOMOed into Luna because at these low prices, it's almost like a meme coin out there. And once again, some people are making money, some people are losing money. So just watch out for the liquidity that the market makers don't jump in and start to take all of your money out there, guys. So remember, it's so important that when you are speculating on a coin that just kind of dumped and had a death spiral, make sure that you take profits and pay yourself, because it is a jungle out there, guys and gals. So right now we're seeing that the fear and greed is at 14 right now, and that is pretty cool beans. We did go as low as 9 the other day, and we've never seen 9 before. And every time we see these lows, we often see that Bitcoin is going to be bouncing to the upside. So we did see a 9 coming, and I've never actually seen that before. I think that is a record low for the fear and greed index. And overall, the Bitcoin sentiment and the crypto sentiment is still down, down. We're still kind of decompressing from this whole Luna death spiral that happened. We still need some clarity out there. What happened to $3.5 billion worth of Luna out there? So this from Crypto Rib. Bitcoin continues its sideways tendency, following a sharp recovery after Luna UST crash. Meanwhile, the fear environment seems to be at the climax as BTC sentiment reaches the depths. And we've not seen these low depths of sentiment since 2018. What is next? And in my opinion, this is an indicator. This is pretty indicative that this is also a bottom, guys. Absolutely a bottom. Let's take a look at the heat map analysis. Right now, we're seeing that Bitcoin and most of cryptocurrencies are starting to recover right now. We're seeing that Bitcoin is up 2.11%, and that's at $30,427. We're seeing Ethereum holding strong above 2,000, guys. So that is pretty cool beans in the house. Also, the top 10 mentioned coins on Twitter in the last hour has been Luna, BTC, Ethereum, XRP, ADA, Solana, UST, LTC, Digibyte, and Shiba Inu. So there's not been a lot of talk about Doge recently. I mean, a lot of the focus has been on Luna on social media. So Doge is kind of falling to the wayside in terms of media hype and this and that. But I'm confident. When it comes to Doge, we still got the Doge X1 mission to the moon. We still got a lot of catalysts. We still got the Ethereum bridge coming out, and we still need Elon Musk to come out and accept Doge for Tesla. And right now also too, we're seeing that the Elon Musk Twitter deal is still a little bit on hold. We don't know what's been going on. The Twitter lawyers have accused Elon Musk of violating the NDA, the non-disclosure agreement out there. So there's some back and forth, and we still don't have any clarity as to what's going on. Is a deal going to happen, or is it not going to happen? Only time will tell for that one, guys. Time. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin price right now. So Bitcoin right now is at 30,384. Earlier today it did hit a high. It did hit a high of 31,500. But it has given up some of those gains. So that's kind of interesting. This candle wicked all the way to the upside, and then from the top of this candle to where we are now, it actually has given up almost 4% in the house. So that's kind of weird and wacky. And we did go go exactly. We did hit the 50-day EMA, which was bullish on the 4-hour, but we did get a huge rejection, and that has pushed Bitcoin down about 4% from its earlier high of 31,500. So that's a bit of a shame out there. So what does that mean? What does that mean? Are we going to be going down, down, or are we going to be going up? I believe that the $29,000 is a psychological support level. So I think that's going to hold overall. I think that's going to hold, and we're going to see some momentum to the upside, guys and gals. So from that perspective, we can still see that the Bitfinex longs are still buying Bitcoin, and we've not seen, this is Bitcoin on the weekly, and we have not seen the Bitfinex longs buying this much Bitcoin. And if we go all the way back to October 2020, we have never seen these levels before. And often the Bitfinex long contracts are often a precursor of what the history or what the future will tell. So if we see that the Bitfinex Bitcoin contracts are a huge number of shorts, and the Bitcoin price is still relatively high, that means that Bitcoin is going to be going down. So this is a future indicator of the direction of Bitcoin. So hopefully you guys understand. I'll repeat that. This is a future indicator of the direction of Bitcoin. So this is why I believe, and a lot of TA analysts and a lot of people in the space believe, that the bottom is in, and we're going to be seeing a huge explosion for Bitcoin happening before our eyes, guys. And if you take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly chart, we're seeing something hugely interesting happening out there. We're seeing that we have completed 7 weeks, guys. 7 weeks. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we're starting our 8th week with a red candle. And in the history of Bitcoin, we've never seen 8 consecutive weeks of red candles, guys. And also too, in terms of 7 weekly candles going to the downside in red, we've only seen that about 3 times in the history of Bitcoin. So history is being made right now, and that's what gives me more confidence out there. We're going to be seeing a reversal. And if we do see 7 weeks of a red candle, that is going to be a history making right in front of our eyes, guys. So and the good thing to know for Bitcoin, we are still trading inside my blue box, and often this is a point of a reversal. So we're seeing that we could be seeing a reversal. We're seeing that the fear and greed hit all-time lows at 9. We're seeing it's coming back up now, and we're seeing that the Bitfinex longs are just, the amount of long contracts that are being picked up is just huge, absolutely huge out there. And this is like I said, it's foretelling the future of what's going to happen to Bitcoin, and I believe that the bottom is in, and we're going to have a reversal. This is from Bitcoin Archive, and every time we start to see these big drops with high volumes, we saw that in 2019, we saw that in 2020, we saw that in June, and we saw that again in May. And it's kind of interesting that June last year we had this big dump followed by a pump, and here we're seeing this big dump, and we should be followed by a pump, guys. So I believe the bottom is in. Absolutely the technical analysis is saying that the bottom is in, guys. Sure, there could be some black swan events that take us down, down, and we can see that clearly right now the demand for Bitcoin is between $25,000 and $31,000. And like I said, we can see here that the bottom is in, guys. And if we go back here, the absolute bottom for Bitcoin is around about $25,000. So that is the bottom, and I believe that the bottom is in, and we're going to be seeing ourselves pumping to the upside, guys. So this is cool beans in the house. We're also seeing that from the Crypto Rover, he's saying that there's going to be a big move coming in. We see this head and shoulder pattern, and bullish breakout target is around about 35,000, and a bullish target is around about 24,900 or 25,000, our previous low, guys. So I believe that we are going to break past the support line, and right now we're going to be doing that, because right now we're above 29,000, which is our support level, and I believe that we're going to have a bullish breakout target of around about $35,000 coming in very shortly, guys. Smash a like, guys. Remember, none of this is financial advice, guys. Smash the likes for humans out there, for humankind out there. Don't forget to show some love by subscribing, and don't forget to give super chats in house. And remember, none of this is financial advice, guys. We got some tuna news to talk about. This is also coming in from Crypto Rover right now, and we can see here that Bitcoin is preparing for one of the craziest moves in history, and we saw that in 2021, 2022, and we're seeing the SPX in 2001 and 2009. The fractals are very, very similar, and this could be a point of breakout, guys, and we could be seeing a huge meteoric rise for Bitcoin. And guys, buckle up, DCA. This is absolutely a great time to be buying the dips, guys. I believe that we're going to be going uppity up from here, guys. The worst is over. The worst is absolutely over, and just like clockwork, guys, we're seeing this coming in right now. from Plan C in the house for the 5th time in a row. Has a major Bitcoin bottom been or just before the confluence model floor. So we hit this whole confluence floor here, and every time we hit this confluence floor, we often have a reversal to the upside. So this is almost more evidence that the Bitcoin bottom is in, and we could be seeing ourselves going up, guys. So right now, if we take a look at the price of Luna Tuna in the house, it's it's making a bit of a move to the upside, guys. So let me just blow that up for you. So we're seeing that on the 5-minute chart. We're seeing that Luna is coming up again, and it is at 25 and some change out there. And right now, one of the things that the community is waiting for Luna is we need to have clarity from Dogecoin. We need to know exactly where is that 3.5 billion. Was it deployed? Was it absolutely deployed? Some of it was sent to OTC markets. Some of it was sent to Gemini. Some of it was sent to Binance. CZ, he's been going on a rant recently, and he's also wondering what is going on with clarity. Where is the clarity? We need to see the transaction IDs. What is going on, Dogecoin? And also we need to have a full post-mortem of what happened. We also need to have Dogecoin and the community out there come out, and the developers to tell us exactly what is going on. I mean, if you're holding 1 million Luna Tuna right now, the lunatics in the house, what is going to happen to that when they have their new plan? Are you going to lose that? Is that 1 million Luna Tuna going to end up being 10 Luna tokens? What is going to happen? Are they going to kill off the USD Terra algorithmic stablecoin? What is going on? We need to absolutely have some clarity. And one of the things that's going on right now is that this week on crypto Twitter, Dogecoin takes heat for UST failure. And a lot of people are saying, was it Citadel and was it BlackRock that were behind that? Some people also speculating that was it SEC behind that, and were traditional banks behind it. They wanted to dump the UST Terra, depeg it, create this death spiral because they wanted to have some ammunition out there to create regulation for stablecoins. So, was this manipulation? Was it pure manipulation? Only time will tell. We need to have the post-mortem. We need to know what's going on, and we need the facts, Jack, guys. So that's what you're looking for. Let's take a look at Leverage Apes in the house right now. So the Leverage Apes in the house, let me give this a minty refresh. So hopefully you guys are having a great Sunday out there. It is a Monday morning here in Vietnam. It's kind of overcast and cloudy, and it's hot. We're seeing that the amount of wreckage out there is still pretty light, 137.92 million, 57,000 traders, mainly retail traders have been wrecked right now. And in the last hour, seeing that, it's mainly longs right now. And in the last 24 hours, it's also short. So, right now, that's one of the reasons why we're seeing Bitcoin going up, because we're seeing that the short positions have been building up. So hopefully we can get a reversal. And as I said, we have this head and shoulder pattern, and we could have a breakout to the upside, and that could take us up to $35,000 in the house for the biddy, guys. And I think, a huge reversal is coming. And right now, we're seeing that we are looking pretty good for Dogecoin. Dogecoin has been going sideways. It's been at the same price for the last 3 days. And it's at 8, almost 9 cents in the house. And we still see this bear flag pattern for Dogecoin. We could be going down to 5 cents if it plays out in a negative way, guys. But it looks like the bulls are still holding strong, because we can see that Dogecoin is not collapsing. It's just going sideways. So that is pretty good. And one of the things that's keeping Dogecoin down right now is the Bitcoin price. But, Bitcoin price is starting to recover, and we should see a recovery for Dogecoin coming. And right now, there's been almost no news. It's very, very quiet out there. We haven't seen anything from Elon Musk regarding Dogecoin. We haven't seen any real catalyst out there. But guys, keep positive. Don't worry. Dogecoin is love and love is Dogecoin, and Doge is going to be here to stay. It's been around since 2013. We still got the Ethereum bridge. We got the Doge X1 to the moon. We got the Doge radio as well that can be deployed in developing countries and connected to Starlink, and that will allow people in remote areas to have access to crypto, aka the Doge cryptocurrency of the world, guys. So let's get it, guys. So don't panic about the Doge. I love it. You love it. Let's take a look at Ethereum right now. So Ethereum is also going sideways. It's just, it's been ranging right now between 2,000 and 2,100 in the house right now. So, things are just kind of ongoing sideways accumulation right now. So that is what is going on right now. If we take a look at Phantom as well, Phantom is really much unchanged, just going sideways. If we take a look at right now the market cap, we're seeing that the market cap is about 1.33 trillion in the house. The volumes are light, but the Bitcoin dominance is too high, guys and gals out there. So let's take a look at the coins and let's see what's going on out there. So we're seeing right now that there's a little bit of a recovery today. It has come down from where it was before earlier, but right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is still positive. We're seeing Ethereum is still positive. We're seeing BNB is also making some moves as well. And you guys can see that on the 7-day, There's a lot of opportunities out there, a huge amount of opportunities out there. You guys should be buying the dip. ADA is also up 13.81%, so that's fantastic. Solana is up 11.72%. We're seeing the Doge is also positive right now at 2.64%, and it's basically following the lead from Bitcoin. We're seeing Avalanche is up as well. Shiba Inu is up as well. So we're seeing a little bit of a comeback of the altcoins in the house, guys. So like I said, we're seeing the bottom. We're seeing a reversal. We're seeing that Luna Tuna. We need some clarity, guys. What is going on? Did the SEC and the government tank Luna intentionally? Only time will tell. We're waiting for that post-mortem, guys. We're absolutely waiting for the post-mortem, guys and gals. So go back and follow me on my Twitter, guys. Boop the likes for humans out there. Boop the likes for humankind out there. Show some love, subscribe. And where are the super chats, guys? I would love to see some super chats. Support the channel, guys. Go check out the merch. Get the mug, get the cap. I love it, guys. And go down there. Check out the linky winks, guys. Get the links. Buy the channel on coffee. Become a Patreon member. And don't forget to check out the NFT collection, guys. So, this is a great time to be alive. The crypto bubble's in the house. And guys, God bless you. Crypto's a jungle. Secure your crypto with two-factor authentication. And get your coins off exchanges and get them onto hardware wallet. This is not financial advice. I love it. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.